Hi, this is Dan from 1066 IT Support, and today I'm going to be showing you the formulas I use for working out VAT within Excel. I've put together a basic spreadsheet. In cell C2 we have the VAT figure. In cell B5 we have the value inclusive of VAT, of which I intend to remove the VAT in cell C5. In cell E5 I have a value exclusive of VAT, of which I intend to include the VAT on this figure in cell F5. So first off, I'm going to select cell C5 and type in the following formula. Equals cell B5 minus open bracket, cell B5 divided by 100, close bracket, multiply cell C2, close bracket. Now when I run this formula, it shows me that $17.99 exclusive of 20% VAT is $14.39. Selecting cell F5, I'm going to type in the following formula. Equals cell E5 plus open bracket, cell E5 divided by 100, close bracket, multiply cell C2, close bracket. Now when I run this formula, it shows me that $17.99 inclusive of 20% VAT is $21.59. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.